Welcome. In this Connecting with Like-Minded People Around the Planet meditation, you will experience openness to connecting with like-minded Noetic seekers globally. You will envision a vast network of these people united by threads of light, sending and receiving love and support across all of the continents. And you'll feel a deep sense of unity and belonging as you express gratitude for the interconnectedness of this global community. So let's get started. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes or soften your gaze as you begin to deepen your breath. And as you continue to breathe deeply, visualize a warm, radiant light glowing within your heart center and throughout your physical and energetic body, representing your open-heartedness and willingness to connect with others. Now imagine a vast network of people who are like-minded and spread across the globe, each person connected by threads of light that radiate from their hearts. And envision that these threads intertwine and weave together, creating a beautiful and intricate web of connection that spans across continents and cultures. As you visualize this web of connection, feel a sense of unity and oneness with all those who share your Noetic interests and beliefs. Knowing that you are not alone on your journey and that there are countless others who are also seeking connection and understanding. Take a moment now to reflect on the topics that resonate deeply with you on an energetic level. Could be meditation, mindfulness, yoga, energy healing, or any other practice or belief. And know that there are others who share your passion and enthusiasm for those subjects. And now imagine reaching out energetically through this web of connection, sending out thoughts of love and peace and unity to all of those who are part of it. And feel your intentions being carried across the globe, touching the hearts and the minds of like-minded people like you everywhere. And as you continue to send out these positive vibrations, allow yourself to also receive the same energy in return, feeling the love and support of the global Noetic community surrounding you, uplifting you and guiding you, and also walking on the same path with you, next to you. And take a few moments to simply bask in the sense of connection and unity, knowing that you are a vital part of a larger spiritual family that spans across continents and cultures. Feel the energy of the collective consciousness pulsating through this web of connection, uniting you with all of those who are aligned with the highest good. And as we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for the opportunity to connect with like-minded people around the planet. And you may want to thank them for their presence in your life and for the support and inspiration they provide as a community. And when you are ready, you can gently open your eyes and return to the present moment Wiggle your fingers and toes and come completely back into your body. You may want to look around the room, take in any smells or sounds that you hear. And know that you can carry this sense of connection with you, this sense of unity and belonging, and that it will continue to nourish and support you on your journey. Thank you so much for joining us.